Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be decluttering, deep cleaning, and organizing my pantry. Also, if you've been enjoying my content thus far, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notified every time I post. What I'm showing you right now are the scuff marks that are in the pantry, and that's because the builder usually uses flat paint that's throughout the house and also in the pantry, and this paint tends to scratch easily. I should also mention that these microfiber cloths are a lifesaver. I have so many of them. Now that I've cleaned the walls and the baseboards within the pantry, I'm gonna paint to get rid of all the marks that didn't come off with me wiping them. Now I promised myself that I would not spend any extra money trying to get this pantry organized, so I had a few of these containers laying around. So what I'm doing is scrubbing the label off, and then I'm going to use a combination of vegetable oil and baking soda to get the leftover residue off. After getting the label off, I'm going to coat the residue in the combination of the baking soda and vegetable oil, and then I'm going to fill the container with warm water and have it lay on the side that I've coated with the solution. Putting together the can rack was pretty easy, but after using the Allen key to get the screws in, it was taking forever. So I just grabbed the drill and it made the process a lot simpler. I picked up the can rack from Amazon, so I'll have that and all the other products I use listed in the description box. I was not gonna bore you with all this, so I snapped my fingers and it worked. Now that all the hard work is done, I'm gonna place everything that I managed to salvage back in the pantry. Now the shelf liners help stuff to slide easily in these type of wired pantries, and also the use of the Lazy Susans help you to group like items together so the pantry doesn't look cluttered. Now when it comes to canned goods, you always want to make sure that you use the FIFO system, which is first in, first out, and that's according to the expiration date. Now I'm doing a final wipe of the inside and also the outside of the doors. That little container you see on the door is what's called a trash bag holder. So what I do usually is when I have the shopping bags, I just store them in there so it prevents you from having them all over the place. Well, here it is. I loved how everything turned out. You can see everything that's in the pantry and it's not cluttered. I also forgot that I had bought some labels to label some of the things that were in the pantry. So I'm going to insert some pictures of what they look like now. So there you go guys, this is one of the projects that you can definitely do while staying inside. So let's do that, flatten the curve, and so we can get back to our normal lives. Thanks for watching, bye!